In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signage or model text in Revit. Model text is three-dimensional text that lives in your model, so it shows up in 3D views and in elevations or sections that look at the surface you place it on. It's perfect for building signage, suite identifiers, or any lettering you want to read directly on a wall or face. To keep this quick and clear, we'll walk through the essential steps and I'll add simple tips to help you get it right the first time. Start by opening the view where you want the text to appear. A 3D view works great when you need to see the text in context, and an elevation or section is ideal when you're placing lettering on a single surface you can face head-on. The key is to use a view that clearly shows the surface you intend to place the text on, like the exterior face of a wall or a panel. Next, head to the Architecture tab on the ribbon. In the Model panel, choose Model Text. This tells Revit you want to create 3D lettering, not a 2D annotation. When the Edit Text dialog appears, type the wording you need, such as a project name or a suite number. Keep it concise and exactly how you want it to read. This dialog is where you define the content itself, so double-check spelling and capitalization before you continue. When you're satisfied, click OK. Now move your cursor into the view. Revit expects a work plane or a surface to host the text. If the software already understands which surface you're targeting, you'll see a preview of the text following your cursor as you hover over the face. Position it where you want it and click to place. Aim for a clear, readable spot, and use the edges of the surface as visual guides for alignment. If Revit doesn't know where to put the text yet, it will prompt you to choose a work plane. In that case, select Pick a Plane, then click directly on the face where the text should sit, typically the wall face or panel surface. Once the work plane is defined, the text preview will snap to that surface, and you can click to place it exactly where you want. That's all there is to it. Open a suitable view, pick Model Text from the Architecture tab, enter your wording, and place it on the correct work plane or surface. With these steps, you can quickly add clean, consistent signage or model text that reads correctly in your 3D and elevation views.